understanding a microbit board. On this small board, there are 5 holes here. For this one, the 3V hole, you can consider it as the positive terminal where the electrical currents come out. And for this ground, you can consider it as a return path back to the circuit in order to complete the circuit. And then for this pin 0, pin 1, and pin 2, they are responsible for sending signal to the devices, or they can receive signal from the sensors. Now I would like to illustrate the idea how to make a complete circuit. And here is a motor connected to this. And there are 2 wires. For the red wire, we usually connect it to the positive pole. And then on the other side, we will connect it to the motor. And then for the negative terminal, there is the GND. Here, we use a black wire to represent that it should be the active pole. And just connect it to another side of the motor. Let's see the result. And once it is moved, then the motor stops. How to use this small breadboard. As you may see in this breadboard, there are so many holes here. Say for example, for these 5 holes, they are connected by a metal plate so that they are connected in series. For this LED, there are 2 legs here. For the long one, it represents the positive pole, so they will just plug in it into this breadboard. And for the long one, is on this hole, so that we can use a red wire to connect here, so that this long leg and this red wire are interconnected. And again, we can connect it to the positive side of our microbit. Or how about the negative terminal, of course. For these 5 holes, they're interconnected in series, and I use a black wire to represent that is the negative terminal. Let's see the effect when I connect it to the negative side. There is a GND of the microbit. The LED lights up.